Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
जो इलेक्शन का सूची है वो साफ हो, तो अगर इलेक्शन का सूची साफ नहीं होगा तो सारा इलेक्शन जो है उससे नुकसान होता है। या जो नकली वोटर के माध्यम से चुनाव में भाग लेते वही अपोज करेंगे, वरना इस बिल को अपोज करने का कोई कारण नहीं है।
This is a very useful bill which has been passed, and the reason for this particular linkage, I think, is that in our electoral roll, the persons, as I told you, are 2 or 3 places. So that will help us in eliminating the double voters, the double names of the persons, same persons into one particular constituency, outside constituency, and other places also, so that the electoral roll will be very, very clean as such. But I can assure you that no name will be deleted without full verification, without giving you choices. Suppose you are a voter at 2 places and I come to know that you are a voter at 2 places. Natural course is that I should ask you whether you would like to in Punjab or whether you like to in your other places. So absolutely safeguards are there, and this will ensure for a clean rule. You did not ask about the very important, you are a young boy. You should have asked about the first electoral reform which has been under the act. That should be made to everyone clear. This reform was pending for last 25 years. That the person who attains his age of 18 on 1st January, only he was being enrolled so far. Now there are 4 dates in a year on which if a person has completed 18 years, he will be enrolled as a voter. So this is a very important reform which has come, through which my younger voters will be taken into the electoral roll 4 times in a year rather than once in a year.